Let's make this typical Nigerian breakfast together. If you usually have issues while making pap, then this is the video for you. Just follow my method, follow every single step you see me take here, and I can assure you, you will definitely get a good result. So here you can see me just dissolving my pap. If you notice, you will see that I did not add a lot of water at the same time. I added the water bit by bit till I obtained this, thick consistency. I want to also note that at this point, if your pap is too watery, trust me, by the time you add your hot water, it will not form. When I say it will not form, you know what I mean. You will get water pap, and water pap. And water pap is not on the list of wife material. So if you're a wife material, I can make pap, come to the front. If you cannot make pap, don't worry. With this video, you become an expert, okay? I don't know if I'm the only one that loves pap and fried plantains for breakfast, but trust me, any day I take pap and fried plantains for breakfast, that day I become very happy. I will just be smiling with everybody. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just slicing my plantains to the perfect size for me. Don't forget to cut your plantains in your own preferred shape and size. So after this, I'm adding my salt and also some water. Why I'm adding this water to it is so that the salt and the plantain can can mesmerize and know each other very, very well. And if you have not liked this video, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please smash that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel and let me know, do you love pap and plantains just like me? Using olive oil to fry my plantains because it gives it this distinctive taste that I can't really explain, and also onions. Well, this is my own method. You're free to use your own method, but this method works perfectly well for me. Don't forget, I'm a food vendor and I get a lot of positive reviews when I use this method. Association of frying your plantain under high heat, be warned, okay? Try to fry your plantains under medium heat, not low, but at least medium. You can see the golden beautiful color I got by frying my plantains under medium heat. So if you used to fry your plantains under very high heat, your plantain will just get brown in 1 minute, but the inside will not be sweet. If you know, you know. Here's our moment of truth. Make sure your water is hot. When I mean hot, 100-degree hot, like very hot. So you can see me just adding in the hot water to the pap, and you can see I'm using one hand to stir it gently, and if you notice at this point that your pap is watery, no problem, just cover it with a plate, allow it stand for 2 minutes before stirring it. And I also want to note that if you store your pap in your fridge, it will lose its strength with days. So instead of storing your pap in your fridge, you can just store it in a plastic bowl or a glass bowl and just top up water on it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.